Hello everybody. We're solving macroeconomics worksheet 2, problem 1. First, let's read the given. The below table provides data for the US economy. So the table has several elements. Federal purchases of goods. The value is $800 billion. Services, $500 billion. Imports, $200 billion. Change in business inventories, $40 billion. Durable goods, $300 billion. Non-durable goods, $600 billion. Exports, $50 billion. Residential investment, $200 billion. State and local purchases, $200 billion. Non-residential investment, $650 billion. All right, the questions are, calculate the following: consumption, investment, government purchases, net exports, and gross domestic product. Okay, obviously, the rules we'll be needing are the ones mentioned in this rules summary. GDP equals C plus I plus G plus NX. Consumption equals durable goods plus non-durable goods plus services. Investment equals purchase of capital goods plus change in inventory plus house purchasing. G, which is government expenditures, all the expenditures on roads, on public hospitals, public schools, etc. And net exports, which are exports minus imports. Obviously, we need to calculate first, as the questions, the consumption C, then investment, then the government expenditures or purchases, net exports, and finally the GDP. First, let's analyze further the given, the data and the given. What is federal purchases of goods? Federal, it means government. So government belongs to the government expenditures, G. Services belongs to consumption, C. Imports belongs to net exports, and it's a negative value, minus. Change in business inventories belong to investment, I. Durable goods belong to consumption, C. Non-durable goods belong to C. Exports belong to net exports and in positive value. Residential investments are like house purchasing, so they belong to I, investment. State and local purchases, when we say state, it also means government. So this belongs to the government expenditures, G. Non-residential investments are any type of investment, so they belong to I, investment. Now, let's calculate C, I, G, and NX. Okay, C equals 500 plus 300 plus 600, and that's it. This totals $1,400 billion. Okay, I, investment, equals 40 plus 200, which totals to 240. Oh, and we're missing 650 plus 650, which totals to 890. Perfect. G, government expenditures. We have 800 plus 200, total of 1,000. And finally, NX, which is 50 in positive value and 200, so minus imports, which is negative 150. All right, finally, GDP equals C, which is 1,400 plus 890 investment plus 1,000 government expenditures minus 150. GDP equals 3,140. 3,140. This is GDP. Thank you for watching.